Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about Paysafecard. So this is a tutorial on Paysafecard. So let's get into the video. So Paysafecard, so as you may know, Paysafecard is actually a prepaid card that's similar to any credit cards. You can use it for any online purchases as well as store purchases as well. Okay, so they actually have no relation, they are independent to bank accounts. So and you can just pay online in cash. So if you simply open up paysafecard.com, so if I go to their website on paysafecard.com here, so I'm on their website. So as I said earlier, you don't need a bank account for Paysafecard because it has nothing to do with your bank account, so it's absolutely free. You don't need a bank account to use Paysafecard or for the shopping. It's secure, there's no risk, and it's accepted in quite a lot of on a lot of stores. Okay, so now, so how do we get the Paysafecard? So you can get a Paysafecard as a voucher, and you can use that voucher to make purchases on stores physically. So how do you do that? So if you want to get a voucher, if you go to their website like paysafecard.com, so if you go to their website here, what you can do, you have this option here called buy. So if you hit on buy, okay, so this here, just type in your address, so wherever your location is, so that it will show you the nearest outlets or the shops that sells the Paysafecard voucher, so you can purchase through them. So for example, if you just type in any of your address, your postcode or something like that, so you nearby your postcode, so that you can find and hit on find sales outlet, and then this will show you your nearest outlets where you can purchase. So for example here, so this is now showing me my nearest outlets here. So simply what I have to do, just go to these outlets here and then ask them for a Paysafe voucher, and then you can pay with your, as I said, you can pay with your cash. You don't need a card for this, so you can just pay with cash and get a voucher. So once you get this voucher, so this voucher has a 16-digit code. It's a voucher code. So once you visit the store, get the voucher. Okay, so now what you can do, once you get that voucher, you can simply use the voucher on stores. So if you want to buy physically, so you can just see which stores accept those Paysafe payment methods. So for example here, if you scroll down, you can see, if you hit on discover, and this should show you the list of stores that accepts Paysafecard. So let me get to that. So if you hit on spend and then hit on where can I use it, so this will show you the stores that accept Paysafecard. So you can use this Paysafe voucher on these stores here. So if you scroll down here, some of the top online stores, and also there are more stores if you look further into it. So what you can do, so once I've got this voucher here, so suppose if you want to make an online purchases, so if you want online purchase, you want to pay online with the voucher, then what you can do, when you get to this page here, so when you get to their website here, Paysafecard website, you can create an account. So simply hit on the sign up option and then just create an account, and the registration is pretty simple. So you can choose your location and everything, and there's only a few steps. So just choose your location and then just hit on continue and create your account. Alright, so once you have created an account, so I've already created my account, so I just have to log in. So I just logged into my account. So once you've created your account, you will see this screen here. So what we can simply do is, we got a voucher, so we have the Paysafe voucher. So what we can do, we can transfer the balance from our Paysafe to our account here, so that you can make online purchases, so you don't need the physical voucher anymore. So to do that, simply when you log in, you'll see this option here. So you will have a 16-digit code on your or your voucher code. So simply type that in, that you just bought, and then hit on add, and the balance will be transferred. At the moment it's 0, so the balance will be transferred to your account, and you will have the balance in your account. So now that you have your balance in your account, you can simply visit to those stores that accept Paysafe. So you can just go to their online sites and then make purchases. So when you check out, you can simply select Paysafecard and then get your checkout and check out with your Paysafecard. So the balance here, the balance from your Paysafe account here will be used for those purchases. So similar to a credit card, you can use this option here, Paysafe option, and then make the payment. So that's how you can use a Paysafecard online. And apart from this, there's another thing that you can do with Paysafecard. So you can get a Paysafe Mastercard. So a Paysafe Mastercard is simply similar to any other Mastercards that you get from your banks. So if you can get that from your Paysafe website, but at the moment it's only available in certain countries, for example like Austria, Belgium, Switzerland, UK, and Spain, and those limited regions. So once you get this Mastercard, so simply you can top up or add money to this prepaid card here. So it's a prepaid Mastercard. So all you have to do is simply add money to this prepaid Mastercard. You can do so by using your online account here. So if you create an account online, you can add money to it, your card. So now this card is very similar to a credit card because it's also a Mastercard. So you can use this card on any places or any stores that accepts Mastercard. So any stores that accept Mastercard, you can use this your Paysafe Mastercard because it's very similar to like any other bank cards. So you can use this card and then pay for all your shopping. So this card, so if you go to any checkout here, so for example when you're checking out on, so like for example if I'm making a purchase on Epic Games, so if I'm making a purchase on Epic Games, and when I get to this payment tab here, the checkout page here on Epic Games, I'll be able to see the Paysafecard option because as I said, it's like Epic Games accepts Paysafecard. So you can simply select Paysafecard and then you can just continue with your checkout and complete the order. Or else you can also use, if you have the Paysafe Mastercard, you can choose the credit card option, and then since it's a Mastercard, so you can plug in your Paysafe Mastercard details and complete the process. So these are the options you have at the moment. And apart from that, and also there's also the app, Paysafe app, so you can also access your Paysafe card on your app. So you can just download the mobile app and then do all your top-ups and shoppings through your app as well. So because it's pretty handy. So as I said, so Paysafecard, it's a pretty easy and a straightforward platform that doesn't really need a bank account for you to operate. So you can simply, if you have cash, then you can simply use that cash and make your online purchases through your Paysafe. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video and information is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.